the journey to the sun also brings you into the heart, your own heart, the heart in your head, which is another 12-petal lotus. The actual number is 1,056 petals, which you can read about in my 5th volume of my series. But it's all governed according to 12 main petals. And the petals actually are moved by a moving swastika, a Vispa Vajra, for the groupings of petals. When they revolve, it's a swastika, it's a Vajra, and then the powers of the Dhyāni Buddhas, the Buddhas of meditation, that come into manifestation. And those of you that know Buddhism, the Buddhas of meditation are the transmuted correspondences of the 5 sense perceptions, the 5 instincts. They're the 5 wisdoms, and then the tip of the Vajra has the 5 rays, the central prong, and then the 4 else. And at the bottom of the Vajra is a Makara. So the rays of wisdom come out of the mouths of the Makara. And then the Makara sits on a lotus. And then the lotus sits on a sphere, and then it's Om Mani Padme Hum, that mantra, which all of you have heard from the Buddhist Tibetan tradition. And so Om Mani Padme Hum really is the evocation of the Vajra, or the power of the dojo. And so everything in Tibetan philosophy has this Vajra, is contained of Vajras. The bottom of this bell, lots and lots of Vajras. The Purba, the Vajra is there in the center. And then often on the tip here, instead of Hayagriva, would be a Vajra. Or they have a Buddha's knot. There's the three types of heads, tops of the heads. That's the highest level of perception. So it's quite important to actually understand the philosophy of the Vajra, the philosophy of the way the Buddhas of meditation evolve in consciousness. So all of this is integrated. And what's missing in the Bailey teachings, and of course in Blavatsky teachings, it's there, but only, hidden and veiled with lots and lots of other words, is the esoteric Buddhism. And this esoteric philosophy is also veiled in, for instance, the Kabbalah and so forth. It's there, but hidden, not as exemplified as in Tibetan Buddhism.